Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Dodge Avenger step by step. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal, then lift the front of the vehicle and secure it on jack stands. Work in a well-lit, ventilated area and keep small parts organized. Gather basic hand tools, a replacement starter, and a torque wrench. Take photos during disassembly to help during reassembly, and check wiring for corrosion before installing the new unit. Start by locating the starter under the intake or near the transmission bell housing and inspect surrounding components. Remove heat shields or intake pieces that block access, then label the battery cable and solenoid wires for easy reconnection. Loosen mounting bolts in a controlled order and support the starter so it does not fall when the last fastener is removed. Set the old unit aside and compare it to the new starter to confirm correct fit and terminals. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and to stay updated. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, music, and voice control right in the garage. I spotted one that pairs nicely with a workshop setup, so check the description for the link and other deals before you continue. Now let's get back to the video. Lift the new starter into position and begin threading the mounting bolts by hand to ensure proper alignment, then tighten them to specified torque values using a torque wrench. Reattach the solenoid wire and battery cable, ensuring clean connections and proper routing away from moving parts. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, sit in the driver's seat, and test starter function before lowering the vehicle. If it cranks smoothly, lower the car, recheck fasteners, and perform a final electrical check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.